Hey, what is going on out there in YouTube land? Today we are going to be looking at the Ruko F11 Pro. This is actually the unboxing, so I will not be flying it today, but I have not opened the box yet, so we're all in this together. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, like I said, we are now about to open up the Ruko F11 Pro. And first thing you see here is a quick operation guide. That's on the inside of the top flap. But immediately after that, I see this kind of like a semi-hard case. Let's see, it's got just unzip this here. Alright, there's the drone. I haven't even opened the bags or anything. Let's see, we've got... Okay, so this is the manual. You got a video guide. Alright, let's see what else we got here. This is a controller. Cool. I don't even know if my phone is compatible with this yet, but we will see. I'm not even sure if these things are real operating antennas, but okay. So this part folds down, makes it easier to hold. That's pretty cool. All right, let me put this back together. All right, let's see. Little box here. Got a box of blades, spare blade. That's cool. Always need that. This looks like a charging cord, so I haven't even charged it up yet. I don't think it's going to fly anyway, so that's fine. F11 LED lithium battery. So this is the battery. It's pretty big. I got to tell you, this when I picked it up, I was surprised at how heavy it actually was. So here is the drone itself. All right. Let me back this up a little bit. Okay, let's see if I can kind of open the arms up. Okay. That pops out like that. Oh man. I do not want to screw this up. Okay, so this got to come out first. That little peg was holding the bottom portion of this rotor here. I'll unfold this and unfold that, and this is what let's see here. Let's try to get the whole thing in one shot. I'm really close. But that is what the drone looks like. And the drone itself isn't really heavy. Actually, I think the battery is heavier than that. But I am pretty excited to give this a try. Let's see. You can't really tell the difference between the F11 and the F11 Pro, except for the manual right here and the size of the camera. This camera is much bigger than the regular F11. Looks like it's not adjustable. I don't believe so right now. I can't really tell, but of course, like I said, I haven't even opened up the manual yet, but still pretty excited to check this out. All right, anyway, so that was the unboxing of the Ruko F11 Pro GPS folding drone. If you have any questions, I can't answer them right now because I don't know any of the answers. But feel free to post it down below, and once I fly this thing, obviously, I'll do a video on that. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day.